the symptoms you chalk up to aging are actually hormonal deficiencies? Are you sick and tired of feeling sick and tired? In this video, I'm cracking open the aging playbook. What actually happens inside your body as you age, and how hormones are your best defense against falling apart in slow motion. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Always talk with a qualified practitioner before starting or changing anything. Let's get one thing straight. Aging is not just about wrinkles and gray hair. Aging isn't just skin deep. It's about degeneration. Here's what's really going down. You lose protein synthesis, aka the ability to build and repair. Your immune function tanks, muscle melts, fat piles on, bones thin, libido, bye-bye, brain sharpness, good luck. But instead of asking why this is happening, the conventional approach is to hand you a pill for every symptom. One for cholesterol, one for blood pressure, one for depression, one to sleep, and eventually one for dementia. It's like bailing out a sinking ship with a Dixie cup. Meanwhile, the real problem? You're running on empty because your hormones are in the gutter. Hormones are the architects of your vitality. They regulate mood, energy, strength, sexual function, cognition, metabolism, and literally your ability to regenerate. So when they drop, you don't just age, you start to unravel with symptoms of fatigue, low libido, weight gain, brain fog, apathy, weakness, depression, insomnia, and a host of other unpleasant symptoms. Instead of a solution, most doctors just tell you, you're just getting old, deal with it. Sound familiar? But what if you didn't just have to deal with it? What if instead of watching your health go up in flames, one prescription at a time, you could stop the fire at its source? This isn't fantasy. This is science. Here are just a few hormones that decline with age: estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, DHEA, growth hormone, thyroid hormone, melatonin. Each one plays a critical role in keeping you strong, sane, and sharp. And here's the kicker. Replacing these hormones doesn't just make you feel better, it helps prevent the chronic diseases of aging. I'm talking about heart disease, diabetes, osteoporosis, dementia. But your insurance-based doctor isn't trained in this. They are trained to manage decline, not stop it. You don't have to wait until you're falling apart to intervene. Hormone optimization is not about reversing death. It's about preventing deterioration. It's about quality of life, independence, zest, mojo, muscles, mental clarity. The stuff you've been told is gone after age 45. Yeah, that's hormonal, not inevitable. Let's explore what the new approach of aging looks like and how you can thrive. This means living well for as long as possible. What if you could live vibrantly until the end instead of deteriorating slowly? This isn't fantasy or wishful thinking. It's backed by science. This is what happens when you optimize hormones before damage sets in. Hormone optimization is life-changing. So here's the truth. The symptoms you've been chalking up to old age aren't age. They are a hormonal deficiency. And the fix? It's not another antidepressant or statin. It's restoring what's missing. If you're ready to find out what you are missing and prevent the inevitable deterioration that comes with age without hormonal balance, hit the subscribe and like button and hit the bell to be notified of more videos like these. And let's rewrite your midlife story on your terms. And if you are truly ready to slow down the aging process and start feeling better now, click the video on the screen to learn more about the hidden link between your hormones and your gut health.